So welcome to this gathering. My name is Prabhu Chandran. I'm extremely happy and delighted to see all of you today. I thank each one of you for making the time. I know in Sikkim it is a big challenge to the challenges of weather and traffic. Thank you very much for coming today. We have a very short meeting. The meeting is not very long. We kept more time for demonstration. I will just briefly explain what is the program for the day. This program is jointly organized by Essae Tanish. Our chairman, who was the founder of the group, believes our relationship with whether it is employees, suppliers, customers, partners, we cannot violate this fundamental law of relationships, which is win-win. When you say win-win, it should be in the truest sense of the word, otherwise nothing is going to last forever. I am sure all of you agree with that basic thinking, and that is the foundation of our business. So we don't want to take too much time in the presentations. It is a very short presentation. All the products are available. I just want to say that our Prime Minister initiated the idea of Make in India. I think the whole idea of we believe that this is a reality, and it is very happy to note that all the pharmaceutical companies today in India are all global leaders, and many of you are sitting here today. Many companies are virtually in the top 10 to top 20 of the global pharma without any technology help from anybody outside, and that is a remarkable achievement. Today some of the products you see here, today we are not competing with other Indian companies. Today we are competing with Germans, Europeans, Japanese, and today that is the challenge we have taken, that Make in India, Design in India is something we are investing heavily. We are still not fully there. We don't say we are perfect, but the direction is to make sure that we are self-sufficient in technology, because that is what is going to give us long-term benefits. At this point of time, I want to say that pharmaceutical industry is one of our core focus areas for growth. And many of you know Essae for quite some time. One of the purpose of this program is to introduce some of the new solutions which you may or may not know. Many of you may know Essae for the traditional scales, shipper scales, and some of you may have used in dispensing scales. But we have come out with a lot of scales and projects for dispensing scales, laboratory scales, analytical balances, self-service kiosk, which you may not otherwise be aware of. So we will be introducing very briefly for about 15 minutes, and I think we were planning to show the company presentation. I think we'll just run through that very quickly. One of my personal request to all of you is, you may be using some products of Essae, but please do give us an opportunity to participate in the other projects, perhaps which we are evaluating with other people. We want a chance on analytical balances, semi-micro balances, and other products today where we are very confident. See, we know we cannot come to pharmaceutical industry without a certain standards on compliances. CFR, today ISO is a very old thing, it is not any longer talked about. There are minimum statutory compliances. The advantage we have is the full software is in our control. So we really are willing to put the effort to work along with you to make sure that we keep your products. We know how important your audits are, what can happen if a medicine is done wrongly, a medicine becomes a poison. So we know that is what all of you take very seriously. And we want an opportunity on products like GPS clock, and we have also demonstrated our self-service kiosk for your HR applications. So my sincere request to all the users here is to give us an opportunity on the other products which perhaps you are not aware. So we can do a survey for who all are interested. If you are already using, fine, but we can do a detailed survey if you need so. With this, I will now hand it over to Pranesh Rao, who will run you through very quickly for our new weighing launches and balance launches. And I will be available here. Please, I would look forward to interacting with you. And thank you very much again for coming over here and being a part of this program. Thank you.